Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Eyes of Ender and using them to trace the stronghold. Hold a stack and throw until the beam stabilizes. Once the portal appears, fill every slot with eyes to activate it. Make sure your armor is enchanted for protection and bring a bow for ranged damage. Beds and blocks go in your inventory for alternate strategies. Move into the portal only when you have full gear and a clear plan. Don't enter improvising. Once in the end, locate the crystal-topped obsidian pillars. You must destroy those crystals to stop dragon healing. You can shoot remote crystals with your bow, but pillar up carefully or caged crystals require climbing and breaking. Make a compact staging platform near the portal island for quick retreat. Place ladders or blocks to climb. Use beds for controlled explosions only if you understand timing. Otherwise, rely on arrows and melee during the dragon's perching phase. When the dragon perches on the portal fountain, sprint forward and hit the head with your sword. You deal biggest damage then. Keep moving to avoid breath and knockback. If dragon launches you, use a water bucket or slow-falling potions. After the kill, gather XP orbs and retrieve the dragon egg safely with a piston or torch trick. If something goes wrong, Endermen aggro, respawn mechanics, or stuck crystals, retreat to your staging area, re-clear and rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.